Welcome to Homemaking with Mima. My name is Wendy, and I am bringing you a bi-weekly grocery haul to include starting to stock up on my pantry a little bit at a time. And so I'm going to bring you along with me and go over what we got. Okay, so I'll give you the total right away. Today's June 22nd, 2024. I did a pickup. My total came to $243.05. And let's get that out of the way. I've got saltine crackers, Cheez-Its, 2 things of eggs because I have noticed that they have upped the price of eggs almost double. Not quite double, but almost. So I don't know. Anyway, greater value toilet paper, mouthwash for my husband, Comet cleaning solution, 1 pack of Kool-Aid that's going to go with this Cool Whip. I'm going to try and use up that graham cracker crust that I have. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if I can get it used up. We needed some black pepper refill, dryer sheets. I got a Polish kielbasa, 2 frozen bags of cauliflower, 2 2-pound packs of mild cheddar cheese. I'm going to be grinding my own again because we are just about out. 2 apple pies to go along with ice cream. Some mixed nuts, some Miracle Whip salad dressing, 3 things of butter, Raisin Bran cereal, some Tostitos scoops back there, some egg noodles, which that actually goes over here. So I'll set that over there. That's part of my stock up. I got some Dunkin' coffee, 5-pack of macaroni and cheese, some more Lipton iced tea, assorted peppers for a meal that I have planned, a bag of mandarin oranges. I have a tiny little Roma tomato, an orange pepper. I wanted a green. They didn't have them, and I didn't click the no, I don't want as a substitute, but hey, it's a vegetable. We'll go with it. A bag of onions, some strawberries, head of lettuce, popcorn, because we eat a lot of popcorn around here, corn check cereal, a big bag of carrots, because they last a long time, gallon of milk, some sherbet, and I already mentioned the ice cream and the Cool Whip, 2 things of orange juice, 2 things of French bread, which I'm going to divide each one in half and then wrap it up and freeze it for future meals, a loaf of, or a thing of hamburger buns because it is the summer season. And then I'm going to go over my restock stuff. Now I'm at the portion of starting to slowly restock my pantry downstairs. And we'll go over that. I got 4 cans of the green chili, 4 boxes of Jif corn muffin mix, 2 cans of pear halves, 2 things of pizza sauce, 2 boxes of devil food cake mix, 2 things of taco sauce, 2 cans of sliced stewed tomatoes, 2 cans of Rotel, 4 cans of tomato sauce, 4 cans of petite diced tomatoes, and 4 cans of tomato soup, 2 containers of the Pioneer Biscuit the Gravy Mix, 1 bag of egg noodles, I already have 1 downstairs, 4 boxes of the thin spaghetti. I guess the distilled water really isn't stocking up because I go through that so much, but it was such a big container it fit over here. 2 cans of Bush's beans, the larger one, 4 cans of mandarin oranges, and I need to make more laundry soap. As you know, I have a video out there of me making my laundry soap, so if you want to refer to that, it is in the playlist. But I never did make the second batch as quickly as I wanted to. Now I'm down to a half a container of soap. And I usually make 2 batches for in the spring and then 2 batches in the fall. And it usually gets me, the spring one gets me through the summer and the fall one gets me through the winter. So I got to get this done as well. And I'm going to tally up what just the stock up was from the main total that I had. And I do believe it told me that I had something coming on shipped to me today. And I don't know if any of you ever struggle with that, but I usually try to look really good to make sure that I don't have anything shipped to me. I just choose something different. I mean, I don't want to have anything shipped to me if I don't need to. And twice now I've had things shipped to me because I didn't catch it. And in my thing, it told me that I had items that's going to be shipped to me today. And I don't, for the life of me, I have no idea what it was. I have no clue. So if it comes before I post this video, then I will share that as well. So that's it. That is my every 2-week grocery haul, intermixed with starting to stock up for my pantry. And again, the total came to $243.05. Now, it might be a little bit more from that stuff that's supposed to be shipped to me. We'll just have to see what that brings. Like I said, I don't know. I'm not techie. Anyway, I want to thank you for joining me today. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I want you folks to make it a really great day.